Hey guys, Markel here, back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about my DJI Mini SE. This is a combination of two drones, the original Mini and the Mini 2. So you get the remote from the original Mini, okay? This is the weakest point of this drone, and you get the body of the Mini 2. But you have the transmission system of the Mini 1, which is Wi-Fi. But when it comes to photos and videos, which is mainly what I do with this little drone, I have no complaints. This thing has been great as far as taking photos and taking video of different places and locations that I've been. I can't really complain about it. I love the size of this because it's very inconspicuous. You can take this pretty much anywhere, fly it around, people never notice it. They barely hear it, and the only time they really see it is when I'm bringing it in and catching it in my hand. Other than that, because of the weight, it is within the rules here in Colombia, which is South America. I'm in Medellin, Colombia, and it has similar rules to the US. There are a couple of rules here that are different, but the main rules are still the same. You know, no more than 400 feet. You can't fly over people in parks or in areas where there are airports. It has the restriction, you know, it has the geofencing that DJI offers. But other than that, man, my only drawback is this remote. I wish that they would make some kind of system like the remote for the Mini 3 that I could buy and use it with this. I would have no other complaints and probably wouldn't buy another drone unless this one failed at some point. But this remote, man, is the one drawback. And those of you who have the original Mini know what I'm talking about. Cell phones have gotten so big now that you have to stretch this thing out to its limit. And then it's micro USB, which is the connection instead of Type-C. So you always got to take an extra cord with you when you're traveling with this thing because it's not Type-C. But other than that, though, it has the same controls on the top and the bottom as all the other drones. This drone is not the fastest, you know, it's not going to go the furthest because it is Wi-Fi, not OcuSync. Image quality is going to be decent at 2K. It is a 3-axis gimbal just like the other drones. But I'll just say, man, overall, if you are a beginner, because they list this as a beginner drone, pretty much, in my opinion, to be quite honest with you guys, all these consumer drones could be beginner drones, because even if you go to like the Maverick Pro series, it's still a consumer drone and it's still very easy to fly with GPS. It's not like you gotta hold the sticks a certain way to get it to level up. But for the price point of this drone, which came in around $300, it wasn't advertised a lot in the States. I don't think they really sold it in a lot of places in the States. You can still find it on Amazon new for about 300 bucks. You can find it used on Amazon for right around $220. And even on eBay, you can find this used as well. I plan on holding on to mine. It's been great. The insurance on this thing is super cheap. I paid 25 bucks and it gives me 2 years of coverage on this thing, which they're still insuring it. But I would just say, man, if you're looking for a small compact drone to travel with, that you won't have any problems at the airport, no people are going to be staring at you when you're flying this thing because most people are never going to notice it, the DJI Mini SE is the drone to get. But with that being said, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.